No one. My favorite color.
Mmm.
Miss Rabbit, the ice cream lady.
You like that?
Rabbit sells ice cream.
Oh, what a bad cough.
I see. Ow.
Please can I have one as well? Everyone likes ice cream.
What is that? Oh, what a bad cough. You okay? Oh. You're gonna be okay?
We need a car. Waffle, not pigs.
Dying of starvation?
Not flowers. No.
Oh, Mia. You spit it out.